People frequently believe that having money or living in luxury life will make them happier. But studies suggest that adopting a healthy lifestyle habit may be the real secret. Simple activities like practicing, appreciation, or spending time with loved ones might help people have a more positive attitude on life. Here are 5 strategies to improve your happiness every day. Implement daily gratitude. Gratitude expression has been found to have benefits beyond simply elevating your mood. People who take the time to write down a few good things about their day tend to be happier, healthier, and more energized. They also sleep better. The trick is to do this on a regular basis and with purpose. Consider developing a simple ritual of thankfulness. Science demonstrates that rather than significant life events, it is the little things we experience every day that make us happier. Listen to the good people around you. Joy spreads quickly. The likelihood of happiness rises by around 9% of every extra happy friend. According to Dr. Nicholas Christakis and James Fowler, researchers at Harvard and the University of San Diego, if you are having a bad day, talk to a friend or co-worker who is often more upbeat. Mirror neurons in our brain will exactly replicate what the other person is expressing. Connect with those who share it when you need a little bit of positive reinforcement. Perform regular kind deeds. According to research, practicing tiny acts of kindness and spending money on others make us happier than doing the same for oneself. Hold the door open for the person behind you. Truly thank the barista when you get a drink, and pick up your coworker's favorite snack to leave it on their desk. Any simple act of kindness that brightens someone's day. More time spent with family and friends. Friends can literally save your life. Low social connection can be twice as unhealthy of obesity and as harmful to your health as smoking 15 cigarettes per day. Even if you are busy, you can still make time to spend with those that matter to you. Take use of your lunch break to call a buddy, or if you can go for a walk together, consider inviting your pal to help you run some errands on the weekend if you are busy during the week. Put your money into experiences, not stuff. According to research, when people spend their money on experiences rather than things, they feel better. Positive feelings stay longer because we can replay things in our minds for a longer amount of time. So think about trying a new yoga class or inviting a friend to the movies instead of buying that new pair of jeans. Try these 5 things if you are feel low and upset. These things will make you happier. Thank you for watching and also take care.